Wow! Please like, please subscribe. Let's go to make. We need yellow, pink, purple, and blue sheets, highlighters, black pointer, glue, pencil and scale, scissor. So let's start.
Yeah!
10 centimeters asterisk 10 centimeters. Fifteen centimeters asterisk 8 centimeters. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. .2 centimeters asterisk 11.2 centimeters. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.